left behind, waiting in silence, years, resting in dust. Dust settled for decades, holding every year in silence.
Rust, spreading quietly, metal slowly returning to time.
Flat, heavy with time, resting where it was left, and cobwebs, untouched, holding the shape of stillness. Dry leather, split by time, holding its shape quietly. Cold chrome, eaten by time, every mark remembered, and dark oil, metal worn by time, silent and heavy. Cold metal, gentle pressure, feeling the resistance in every detail, frozen in time. Dust, rust, and silent stories. Soft strokes, dust lifts slowly, revealing the hidden surface, patient and quiet. Water, washing the years away, dirt lifting, revealing what was hidden. Water glides, carrying years of dust, metal gleams slowly, clean and quiet. Brushing slowly, lifting years of dust, each spoke, revealed in silence, in soft circles, clearing years of dust. Glass brightens slowly, touch by touch.
Soft foam, coating the frame, lifting dirt gently, every curve revealed in it.
Water glides, carrying dust away, springs and metal, revealed quietly.
Brushing slowly, metal links glisten, oil spreads, every crevice touched.
Faded paint, stories held in every mark, gentle shine, time revealed slowly.
Partially revealed, some surfaces shine, a hint of life, slowly returning to form.
Turning slowly, metal clicks, threads loosen one by one.
Lifting gently, careful and slow, the tank rises, revealing the frame beneath it.
Gentle pull, rubber resists slightly, connection loosens, careful, slow, and
bolts turn slowly, leather lifts gently, frame revealed, careful, deliberate.
Turning slowly, rust and patina give way, bolts loosen, every click deliberate.
Loosen gently, lift carefully, metal and paint shift, revealing the frame beneath. Turning slowly, screws release, metal shifts gently, the housing lifts carefully. Sliding slowly, rubber grips metal, friction felt, handlebar revealed gently.
Loosening slowly, cable releases, threads click gently, speedometer freed carefully. Stripped to its bones, every tube, every mount, the frame stands silently.
Carefully, the rear wheel lifts free, years of stillness released, gently set aside.
Slow strokes, dust fades away, old surfaces breathe again, cleaned with care.
Releasing gently, the spring relaxes, layers of motion revealed, piece by piece.
Circles slowly revealing the shine, metal warms with light, polished with care.
Turning gently, each spoke finds its place, balance returning, one click at a time, and if restored and ready.
Flowing slowly.